I just wanted to mention about my incredible success with Robert. About 2.5 years ago, I was referred to him by my doctor who'd heard some wonderful stories, and I have a most unfortunate thing, being a very sporty person. I have my L4 has fallen down onto the L5, meaning the vertebrae at the back. I was in a lot of pain when I came to Robert, and I had a pinched nerve, which no one would want to have. I came to Robert and was rather doubtful at the time, because I was wondering how can one get an inanimate object, being a bone, back up in place. But Robert explained to me that actually his principle of giving the brain and the nerve messages which come up along the spine, the idea that they have got to inflate the bone, which will then part the two bones and put them back in place. Anyhow, I was very impressed with Robert, even though I had my doubts initially trying to understand how it would work, because one of the first things he said to me was, "Have you got any headaches?" In which I did have, and he said, "Your neck is out." And that was something years ago. I had been treated with somebody, and he was the only person who recognized that. Being sporty and exercising daily, I obviously gathered that's where I'd done it. So Robert managed to get my neck back, and the headaches went, and now I know whenever I have a headache, he recognizes immediately that my neck has been out, and he gets it back within 2 or 3 treatments. I had a bit of a lull last year because my poor mother was not well and finally passed away, and regret that. But started with Robert again, I would say, very seriously towards the end of last year, or really early this year, and I must say it's a miracle. The bone that was sticking out of my back very noticeably has virtually gone back into place, and the incredible pain I had with the sciatic nerve for 7 months has virtually disappeared. We're going to be very sorry to lose Robert. He's a great asset to Australia, and we'll have to visit him in Lebanon to have a few more treatments.